Okay, now we have seen the details about the chessboard, how it should be arranged like that. And now let's see how we have to arrange the pieces in the chessboard. So the basic pieces, first what you should arrange is called castle. First you should place the castle for white and black. Why we are placing the castle first? The reason is castle is a safety place where the king and other armies will go inside and escape from the enemy's attack. So it can be otherwise called as rook. So rook is the most common name, castle is another name for this piece. So this will be placed in the corner. Within this castle all the major and minor pieces will come, including the king. So we will see what you should arrange next. Next, inside the castle we should place the knight. Same applies to black as well. And then bishop will come. Same applies to black. And then we have to place the queen. Now the simple rule for placing the queen is the queen should be placed according to the color. If it is white color queen, then you should place in the white color square. If it is a black color queen, you should place the queen in the black color square. The remaining square you should place the king. So in this way you can avoid the confusions of placing the major and minor pieces of a chessboard. Now one important thing I want to tell. So there is a important thing called back rank. I will tell what is a back rank. 1 second. These pieces are called as back rank pieces. Very important pieces. Without this piece we cannot play a chess game correctly. So it is very important. We should give more importance to the back rank. Okay. Now once we have finished those things, then we have to place the pawns. So outside the castle we are placing the soldiers or pawns. Pawns is the correct chess term. Okay. This is how we should arrange the chessboard. If you know some other way of arranging the chessboard, I think you should adapt your method to arrange the chessboard in this manner. Thank you.